Manage your time effectively like a pro with the ThermoPro TM01 Digital Kitchen Timer. With the timer's countdown function, it allows you to perfect those cookies, vegetable side dishes, or hard-boiled eggs. Our timer doubles as a clock, which can simultaneously run while a timer is active. Check on how much time is left, or adjust settings even in low light conditions with a touch-sensitive backlight. 4 volume settings include 3 volume levels and silent mode for you to choose from to meet your specific needs when time is up. The timer easily rests on your counter or on magnetic surfaces. Find the most convenient location for your kitchen.
Manage your time and monitor multiple tasks with the help of the ThermoPro TM02 Dual Kitchen Timer. This feature-packed device ensures you never forget anything, displaying a clear countdown, count-up timer with easy-to-read LCD digits. Whether you're cooking, exercising, enjoying your time, or any type of duration control, the ThermoPro TM02 accurately helps you stay organized. With the calendar clock mode, keep track of more important upcoming events. With multiple placement options, the TM02 will always be in sight. Either stand it up in your kitchen or simply stick it to your fridge with the magnetic back. You can even control the volume levels to best fit your needs. Take control of your busy schedule. Monitor your time like a pro with the ThermoPro TM02.
The idea behind Time Timer is really simple. When you set the time timer, you can see what time looks like. This timer is counting down right now, so as time goes by, this red disc is going to get smaller. So you can intuitively understand when you have a lot of time, like we have right now, and when you have just a little bit of time, when there's just a little bit of red left on the face. Time Timer was founded 25 years ago by Jan Rogers. Her youngest daughter was always late. Jan had the idea if she could show her daughter what time looked like as it was going away, it would be easier to understand and for her to manage. From those 2 paper plates came the Time Timer. This is a visual timer. As time goes away, that red will get smaller. It's counting down right now. It's quiet. You don't hear any loud ticking, so it's perfect for when you're trying to focus on your work or during testing in a classroom.